Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a 2.4 Multiair engine that has been used in Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles as well. You can find it guys in Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade, Fiat 500X, Fiat 500L, and you can find it guys on Dodge Dart and Chrysler 200 as well. Also on multiple Fiat vehicles in Europe, I think Fiat Toro, the pickup in Europe, something like that. And if you're trying to guys figure out how hard it is to replace your timing chain, in today's video guys we'll explain what needs to be done. If you want to see the video guys from start to finish, from the very beginning to the very end, stay with us guys and we'll have the video on the channel. So it will be super helpful, but it's a very long video. This is just a quick video that will explain what needs to be done, and if you need to buy the parts guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. You do not need to remove your engine to do that. Why we got the engine out? Because we'll be making at least 100 videos guys on this engine. We'll have everything from start to finish, what needs to be done, how to remove every component, how to replace almost everything on it. And being out of the vehicle, we can show you with a great detail where all the bolts are, how to remove it, how to replace it and all that stuff. So if you have a 2.4 Multiair engine guys, subscribe because we'll have quite a bit of helpful information on it. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain what needs to be done now. This is guys right here the engine, and we guys have actually two timing chains on that engine, not just one. We have two chains and I'll explain why. For this engine practically guys, you do not need any special tools for the timing chain. You know, usually on modern vehicles nowadays, I'll show you in just a second, you have to have special tools to hold the camshaft, special tools to bring it to TDC point. You don't need any of that. You need to make sure that the engine is at top dead center, TDC point, and you have a mark on the timing cover, okay, right here on the outside of it. Okay, and this is your crankshaft pulley, and it has a mark on it as well guys. Okay, this is the mark right there that tells you, okay, if it's at TDC, top dead center. Once you have all that secured guys, you have one chain that goes from the crankshaft to the camshaft. You have a single camshaft, even though it's a 16 valve engine, super complicated engine on top guys, but here it's super simple towards the timing chain. You will need to remove the tensioner, you need to remove the control tensioner arm, this arm, remove that bolt with the sprocket and you'll pull the chain out. The second chain guys, this is for the oil pump, and also the oil pump is part of the balancing shaft as well. This is the shaft that makes your engine smooth, runs super smooth, because it kind of like counterbalances the vibrations from the engine, so you have a nice running engine that way. But in order to do that now guys, what you need to do, you need to remove your timing cover to get to the chain. In order to remove the timing cover, you need to remove serpentine belly, crankshaft pulley, water pump pulley, tensioner, pulley for the serpentine belt and idle pulley as well, and then you're right here. But you will need to remove your valve cover too, because the valve cover attaches to the timing chain here, to the timing cover, excuse me, and you will not be able to get to the timing chain without removing the valve cover as well. Those are some of the special tools that other vehicles require guys for timing chain installation. This one doesn't need any of that. Super simple design, and I'm glad it's that way, because this is Chevy, Opel, Alfa Romeo, another Fiat engine. This is guys for Ford, and this is another Ford engine, and they don't even have okay, they're not even keyed on the crankshaft, so you need to get them super tight, super complicated. So if you want to see the whole video from start to finish, it's on the channel guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.